Yo, what's up guys? Drills 3D back with another one. Today we're going to be showing you how to install GIMS Evo into 3ds Max. It's nice and easy, but a few people have been asking me how do you do it, so let's do it. So you're going to need this folder, so you're going to have to head over to my Discord. The link's going to be in the description and just download this folder. Once you've got this, you're going to need to unzip it and then save it somewhere on your desktop or somewhere that's easy to access for now. Once you've done that, you need to locate where you've saved your 3ds Max to. Mine's on my D drive, yours might not be, yours might be on your C drive, but if you've got a shortcut, you can just go to open file location. That's going to bring us to here. Now we would just want to find the scripts folder, which is right here, and go into startup. We're going to drag that to the side a little bit and we're going to open up this folder. I'm just going to put these like this, it'll be a lot easier. Now if we go inside here, there's a scripts folder, so we're going to open up the scripts folder, start up, and we're basically just going to copy these three files into here. See, I already had GIMS installed, so obviously I had to replace them, but for you, you'll just be dropping them in if you don't have it already. Then we need to go back, and we've got GIMS. Now we want to take this whole folder, not the contents like we did with script. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to hit Windows and R. We're going to have this pop up and we're going to type local app data in between 2 percentage signs and then hit OK. And then we're just going to grab this folder and drag and drop it into here. Again, I'm going to be replacing because I already had GIMS installed. Now, if you did want to keep this, obviously copy it. I've dragged mine over, but obviously you could copy and paste it. Same way as we did with the other one. But yeah, you can just drag it in there. Now, the last thing we're going to need to do, we've got these matdats, which are basically data files. We're going to need to keep these somewhere on our computer where they're going to be safe and they're not going to get deleted. It doesn't really matter where, as long as they stay where you put them. So I'm going to go ahead and copy these and then I'm going to go through my computer, find somewhere safe to store them and paste them in. Like that. Now if we run 3ds Max, right, on startup we should have this here. So when you click on this little door with the arrow on GTA 5, you're going to have this warning come up and you're going to need to find those matdats, what we just saved. So you're basically going to scroll through, you're going to find the folder and you're going to click select folder and then you're just going to wait a second. And that should now be working. So if I just show you it working, let's import a GTA skeleton, for instance. Right, don't worry about this. This is just from the skeleton. But as you can see, we've imported the skeleton and that shows the GIMS Evo is now working with 3ds Max. And yeah, that's it, guys. So as always, guys, I hope the tutorials helped you. Come and join the Discord. You're going to need to if you need these files. But also, we've got a thriving community over there. So come and join the Discord. The link's in the description below. And until the next one, this is Drills over and out. Peace.